One thing I want to do that I'm not very good at is vlogging. And the reason I'm not good at it is because I don't do it. So I'm gonna try to do it a little bit more. And that starts today. I think I'm going to try to vlog at least twice a week. Oh, let's see how this goes. Let's go get a workout in, and then we'll probably take Henry, my dog, for a walk. That'd be funny if I was walking something else, like a kid or something. Henry, hi. These afternoon workouts that I usually do are only like 20-30 minutes. So when I'm short on time, I do the things that I know are gonna be really good for me. So I'm probably gonna do some kettlebell swings, some farmer's walks, maybe some push-ups. That's about it. Now, the other reason the second workout's always shorter is because I like to do jujitsu in the evening, and working out 3 times a day is a bit excessive. I'll do it if I'm training for like Worlds or something, but if I'm just trying to stay fit and not be a fat old guy, then twice a day is just fine. You there, do you want to go on a walk? Want to go on a walk? Want to go outside and go for a walk? You big goofer. Stretch it out. Okay, where's your leash? Where's your leash? I'm gonna be honest, this vlogging setup to walk him is so dumb. It's so ridiculous. This camera's huge, this lens is huge, this mic is huge. Yeah, well, you do what you gotta do. Just taking a wee. We haven't even made it like 18 feet. One thing I've realized about vlogging with a dog and a massive camera is it's dumb. The dog is great. I love this little guy. Aren't you the best? You're the best, huh? Amazing dog, amazing camera, vlogging with both of these amazing things. Isn't that amazing? Oh well, you live and you learn. Check this out. That is the skin of a tiny little snake, probably a garter snake or maybe, I don't know, snake. What if I have my cookie? Peanut butter cookies for the win. Well, what'd you think? I know that was like really short, but I think I'm gonna keep these vlogs pretty short. To be honest, I don't really care to vlog. I find it very uncomfortable, but a friend of mine who's helping me with the channel and trying to help me, you know, grow it and have a good time, he thinks vlogging would be good for me. And as I said, I don't really find them to be that enjoyable or comfortable. I get really kind of weirded out holding a camera while I'm walking a dog or doing anything. I'm way more private than that. But if I was going to give you any advice, if you're going to get comfortable doing something, you just have to do it a whole lot more. This is cool. I just got this. This is the Ada Mini. Hey bud, how's it going? This is the Ada Mini. I'm gonna be doing my first like real live stream Q&A next week. This thing's pretty rad. I can like hook up to 4 cameras in this, so I'll put in 3 cameras in my iPad and we'll do a big live Q&A on all of these fitness trackers. I've got a Wise Watch, Apple Watch, Oura Ring, Amazon Halo. It's on my wrist, the Whoop, and I've got a Gobi 2 somewhere, the Gobi 2. So if you've got questions on fitness trackers, again, I'm going to be doing a huge Q&A live stream, YouTube, well, of course YouTube, what you're watching, next week. So you should think of some questions you want answered and chime in. And I'm excited because this is going to make it look cooler. Anyway, get out there, do things that make you uncomfortable, even if it's walking a dog with a massive camera and looking like a psycho. All right, peace.
I just close my eyes and